Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, we'll show you how you can download the Amazon product videos safely and easily. So let's just get started with the video. So start by going to amazon.com for that in your browser. Head over to amazon.com. And once you go over there, you can just go over and find the specific video that you would like to download. So you can go to the product page where you would like to find the video for. So you may just head over to the specific product and you can look out for the product video. So on your left hand side, you can look out for the video for the product. You can see some of the videos being available. And if you're trying to download it, when you right click on it, you do not find that option to save it on your device. So Amazon does not allow us direct downloads of product videos due to copyright. So the fastest way is to record them manually. So once you open up the product page of the Amazon with the video available, what you need to do is basically use a screen recorder tool. So there are a bunch of screen recorder tool available. You can just go over and download those. You can search for screen recording tools and find it up. And you can look out for the one and just go over and download it. After you download it up, you can look out for the specific product video. And once you find the product video, you can start recording it. So you can use any of the recorder available. For example, I'm using this one right here. And you can just go over and record the certain part of the video. You can even play the video on the full screen to view the video, and you can record the video while it plays. After that is done, you can stop the recording and save it, and you'll now have the product video available on your device. Apart from that, if your product is publicly hosted, for example, on a seller's external link or Amazon's ad video server, you can just go over and copy the video URL. So you can just go over and find one of the videos URL. Let me just show you. So you can just go over and head over there. This, right click on it, and you can select the option of copy URL or copy link address, and go to the trusted site, any of the trusted site where you can download the videos, and you can just go over and paste the link and download the videos from there. For example, save from Nate is something you can just go over and try it out and hit enter, and just go over and paste the video link right here in this box, and just go over and click on this download option right here, and it should download the particular video for you. And that is it. So downloading videos directly from Amazon or for re-upload or resell may violate the copyright or Amazon terms. So you can use this only for personal, educational, or fair use purposes like research, review, or commentary. And that's it. That's how you can save or record Amazon product videos. So do not forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.